Righto. We are about to really show you what the truth is about yachting life.
We're going to break the law.
No, we're not going to break the law.
Oh, it'll be the law of the marina.
Well, I guess.
Yeah, maybe.
But,
yeah,
so this is real boat life. We want to have a shower. So, we're going over. We're not in a marina, but we're going to go to the marina and have a shower.
Hot.
But friends of ours went and gave us the codes on how to get into the shower, so we're going to go and sneak hot water.
That bit they were here months ago.
And
we hope it hasn't changed. Don't show them where we are.
no, can't show you where we are.
Look, wipe that from your memory.
I'll show you us sneaking into the marina. Okay. Oh, you've got to have some towel and stuff. Pin code, try the next door. Try it. Right, I've got to give you your towel and soap. Out the mud. Sneak in. Okay. Lovely. Sneaking in. I just stole my very first hot shower ever. It was flipping terrific. There's snow up on the mountains. I don't know whether you can see up there. That's all fresh snow that just got dropped last night and today. And it's been cold, so it was very nice to be able to, sneak and have a hot shower. Fabulous. Thank you.
Now this is our go-to I cook when we're underway, or if we're going to head away early in the morning. I prepare this and then we heat it up later on in the day. Tough shell. So while the eggs are cooking, get some salami up. That can be cooking too. Turn down the heat. Heat's turned right down now. 3 in each. Okay. Lid on that. The eggs to cook. So we start off with some cheese down, some cheese at the bottom, and then the egg will melt that. Put the egg on. Rick likes onion, so he gets a fair bit of onion on here. Okay. Jalapenos, Rick just loves jalapenos. Get some lots of jalapenos. I like mine chopped. A few on mine. Run out of the chipolata sauce, or similar to that we normally use. Rick loves mustard, so we're going to put some mustard on. Combine that with just a little bit of tomato sauce. I'll do the tomato sauce. Rick doesn't really like it, so I'm just going to give him a little strip. Okay. Now it's time for the eggs. So the eggs go on. You put them on a little bit undercooked because we do this next cooking process. Cook up the wraps, that cooks the egg a little bit more. So you try to put that on a bit under. So now fold the ends in, move it over like that. So right, so we prepare those. Now that place these in, always put face down first because that will seal that crack.
When will you next catch up?
In about 5 minutes.
See you whenever.
Don't try and ditch us. See you over there. Off into the sunshine.
Is that for you out?
Not yet. a nice taxi ride.
Wow, sort of go with the flow. You're shooting there, aren't you? I'll come and get you.
Oh, fantastic to be out of Preveza. I mean, we've enjoyed our time in Preveza and it's been good, but boy, we've spent a lot of time here. So it's good to be back on the go again. Nice to be in company with those guys, buddy boating for the next 2 weeks. Yeah, all good.
Another trip through the Carter's Canal. Only 2 boats heading north and 2 boats heading south. Wonder where these boats are from.
Thank you.
Thank you. We've got a charter boat being delivered. By the looks of it there. Handsome young skipper on board.
Hello.
The moment. Woo! I spoke during it. I should shut up. Jackson, no.
Join us next time as we visit Tranquility Bay and the lovely town of Fiscado. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss an episode. Have a great week.